Hi everyone, welcome back to Rihanna's Kitchen Corner. In this video, I am going to share Bang Bang Chicken Skewers. This sweet and spicy Bang Bang Chicken Skewers are easy and delicious with homemade Bang Bang sauce and is perfect for dinner. For this recipe, here I am using 1 pound of chicken breast cut into thin slices. That will be helpful for the air frying as well as the grilling. One teaspoon paprika powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, salt to your taste, parsley leaves 1 teaspoon, garlic powder 1 teaspoon, onion powder 1 teaspoon, red chili flakes half teaspoon, lemon juice 1 tablespoon, olive oil 3 tablespoons. Mix it well until everything combined together, and you can marinate this one for at least 1 hour or overnight in the refrigerator. For Bang Bang sauce, we need 1/3 cup of mayonnaise, 3 tablespoons of sweet chili sauce, 1 tablespoon of sriracha or adjust half teaspoon rice vinegar, 1 clove garlic minced, 1 teaspoon of parsley leaves. Whisk until everything combined together, and you can refrigerate up to 7 days. If you're using wooden skewers, soak for 30 to 60 minutes before grilling or baking so they won't burn. Mix the chicken mix properly before putting in the skewers. You can thread the chicken slices in the skewers one by one. Similar way, you can put all the chicken in the skewers and keep it ready. Preheat the air fryer 400 Fahrenheit for 2 to 3 minutes. You can place the liner in the basket and you can use some cooking spray on top. Then place the chicken skewers, make sure not to overcrowd, and then you can spray again some more cooking spray and then air fry for 16 to 18 minutes. Halfway you can open the basket and flip the chicken skewers, and again you can cook. It took only 16 minutes for me, and you can see I cooked it in the air fryer, or if you are doing in the oven or grill, you cook until golden on the outside and cook through. Once it's done air frying, baking or grilling, coat the hot chicken skewers with bang bang sauce. Bang bang air fryer hot chicken skewers are ready here. Now I'm going to make it in the oven. You just have to preheat the oven 400 Fahrenheit and you just have to bake it for 25 minutes. And the halfway, flip the chicken and bake again. Once it's done baking, you can coat the hot chicken skewers with bang bang sauce. Yummy, delicious, juicy chicken skewers are ready to eat now. You can dip it in the sauce and enjoy. I made the wraps with these chicken skewers. Just warm up the tortillas and then spread some bang bang sauce, and then you can put some salad on top and then place the chicken skewer and make the wrap and enjoy.